SAS change and compile was done. If you pay attention here, you'll see that I have videos at 70, 77%, and I have videos at 78%, 80%, 90%. Based on the settings I've set, I have many outputs up to 100%. It means this config has progressed 1% for me. Okay, so I have all the vids in build and watch. But there are times when I use certain specific values and some values are not useful for me. For example, what? You see, I used vid 77%. Okay, but I didn't use 76%. Well, I want to remove it so my file doesn't get unnecessarily heavy or cluttered. I didn't use 75%, 74%, 73%. I want to delete these. Now imagine considering the size of this large file. Okay, and the values you used will remain only for you. Your output can become so much lighter. Okay, now let's go and check it together. How does this work? Using a JS file inside the folder, package main with the formats you set, which we have already determined, it starts scanning these files and checking the classes. It keeps the classes we have. What does that mean? It means, for example, it enters the HTML file, we have the class vidgrid, yes, so it keeps the CSS. Again, we have vidgrid 4, but it completely removes grid 3 and 2 here. Okay, and it makes our output very, very light. Now let's go and hit clean together to see how it works. npm run clean. Now look, I used width 77% here but didn't use 76%. So I expect in the CSS output it gives me 77% is present here but 76% is not. Now let's look at the file size. There, if we have it minimized with the command npm run build, we see the output was 190 kilobytes. But now how much is it? 6 kilobytes. Miracle. Why? Because it has filtered things out now. It has kept only the CSS I wanted, and now if I refresh the site, no changes, no problems occur here. These were the initial 3 commands on this table for compiling. Okay? We have another command here, dev. What does this dev do? Like other frameworks, it creates a virtual server for us, which provides us with the ability to perform certain tasks. It gives us a URL with a specific port. Let's open this. Did it open? It opened. You see, it has provided us with a very simple and great little server. That's from dev. Now let's go. Twilio also has a feature where it doesn't read certain places from the mizignore file. What does that mean? It means inside these assets vendors, the formats we mentioned are present here inside vendors. Okay, there is JS here. Maybe I want Laravel not to read this file from a certain place, so I give the address and file name and don't read it. Now here it says folder assets vendors. I don't want these formats to be read. So what happens? My CSS output is based on everywhere except these places. It means I excluded load modules, the MIZ folder, CSS, font, icon, media, and vendors. Because if it reads these files, it might create extra classes for me. For example, you might want not to read the index. Okay, here we come to assets. We say assets, sorry, you consider it from your root folder, index.html. Now look here. When you run your server, it's enough to open another terminal alongside this. Why? Because the server is running here, and we want to execute some commands alongside it. Here, I execute the command npm run clean. What's happening now? My index file isn't being analyzed, it's not being read, and I have no class output. If we check, we'll see that yes, these are reset values and they don't give us the 77% width. Why? Because it doesn't read the index file anymore. Okay, here, if we search all the files, we'll see that 77 is only in our HTML and another table where we don't work. That output is for the host, which is not in the HTML. We have this 77% width that hasn't given us output here. What does this mean? It means I haven't read this file. Now we'll remove this file again from mizignore. Okay, let's run npm clean again. We'll see the output. Just a moment until watch. Sorry, let it build and compile. Look, it says your CSS is ready. Your CSS has been minimized and is ready. Now you can see that 77% is present. This is from mizignore's work and the explanations related to our commands. There's nothing else. Hopefully we'll see each other in the next part.